Yo.
Yep.
Yep, I hear you.
What's good?
Oh, I hear you in both ears, bro. I better not mess with my port. That mic is working perfectly. Bro, I'm gonna put you on this put option, bro. It's up to you if you want to hop into it. Alright? Bro, okay, listen.
Hey,
Hey,
let
bro.
let
How much
Cam get in here first. He needs to get it too.
Hey, so how much dry powder are you working with on
I got
Labo?
unlimited, bro.
Bro, bro. How much money is in your Robinhood account, man?
uh,
Unlimited.
uh, let's see, bro. We got like 1.6 in there.
Bro, you didn't hop the Netflix play with 1.6, bro?
Yeah, I know,
Oh
bro.
my god.
I messed up on that. I was too
Uh,
busy looking at SafeMoon on there. Oh man.
it's not like hey, it's all good though because there's so many plays.
Mhm.
But here's the funny part is that you was like I'll catch the next one. Remember yesterday? You said I catch. But
I tried on that one though, bro.
on which one? On Netflix?
No.
Which one?
Um, let me fix
Crisper?
this
Oh
thing
no, it was on Peton.
on Piton, bro. I put my exactly right after you called it in there, and it didn't hit for some reason.
Oh no, so look, so here's what happened is that
It
like
changed like instantly.
it was instantly, bro. Like 75 was actually the bottom. I happened to catch the bottom. You know, like
Yeah.
that's why sometimes I like to put those low limit orders because even though if you look on the chart, it says it never got to that price, but
Mhm.
it got there real quick because someone actually put a bid at that price because they were just trying to sell it at for a cheaper price.
Yeah.
So, but yeah, bro, and that Netflix one, it was lucky, bro. Like I think I kind of caught the bottom on that one too. At like, well, it was the bottom for the middle of the day, but the
Mhm.
actual the actual bottom of that contract, bro, was actually $1.40. Dollar
Sheesh.
40. Yeah.
Yo, where's Cam?
I don't know, bro. Did you send it to him?
Yeah.
It looked like he's on his phone right now.
Yeah. Uh. Yeah. Let me hmm, live stream ain't calling out on there. I gotta see. I gotta fix all my stuff. I'm messing up out here.
It's all good, bro.
It's all good, yeah.
Ain't no thing, man. You see that? Look at this, man. Look, see, this is the type of stuff that's gonna make Netflix plummet, bro. Look, it says Bloomberg, Netflix plunges after pandemic boom, shutters to near halt. Really, bro? They go put that as I mean, I'm
Yeah.
glad, but like that's the type of stuff. Like, let's see, Netflix credited the pandemic with delivering record growth in 2020. Look, now it's blaming the pandemic for the worst first quarter in 8 years. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Wow.
It says,
That's what the manipulation is, bro. You already know.
wow. It says the streaming service added far fewer new customers than Wall Street expected in the first 3 months of 2021, even missing its own forecast by millions of subscribers. And the current quarter will be more challenging, Netflix said Tuesday, predicting a gain of just 1 million new customers, or a fraction of the 4.44 million projected by analysts. The dismal growth sent its shares plunging as much as 13%. Bro, even though they beat on revenue, they beat on earnings, they miss on subscriber growth for 1 quarter and it plunges 13%. That is
They got manipulation on there, bro. You already know.
Oh yeah,
They're
I
gonna
know.
change the numbers tomorrow and be like, they miscalculated the subscribe. Hey, what's good, Alan? We got Doge, bro. You asking about Doge on there?
Where? On where?
Um, we got the chat here for the YouTube live stream.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, man. Let's see. It says Netflix has been warning for months that growth was slow after customers emerged from their COVID-19 hibernations, but few expected the company to stall so dramatically. Man, you know what? Fuck it. Please go ahead, man. Plummet, man. Plummet.
Right.
Plummet down to 460. That would be great.
Mm-hmm. So, what do you think, bro? Today, Doge didn't pop off.
You know, Doge, I really honestly have a feeling that in the next couple weeks, bro, it probably it's probably gonna tank, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. I really think it's gonna tank.
Hmm.
But I mean, but if you have high conviction in the meme coin Doge, I mean, they're creating a day for it. They're gonna have like a holiday for Doge, like a like a Doge party. And you know what? It's probably gonna be in line with 420, man. You never know. I don't
Yeah.
know, but yeah, I think it's not gonna do too well in the midterm. I mean, short term, it probably will pop. Probably this week maybe, but midterm, it's probably going to go back down. Let me look at the chart.
Yeah. I mean, I knew it wasn't gonna pop today
Yeah,
because it's the exact same thing that happened with GameStop and
yeah,
AMC. Like once you plan for something like that and everyone knows, they're
hmm,
gonna try to time it and get out, like take profits before you know everyone else takes profits, and then everyone's
yeah,
trying to do the same exact thing, and then it literally just ruins everything. And it does. You can't really do that. It's kind of like buy the rumor, sell the news type of movements. You
yep,
know,
100%.
essentially.
Hey, what's up,
Hey,
guys?
yo, we
You
thought
hear
you
me?
dipped out. Yeah.
No, no, no. I know you guys say. I know you said 10 p.m. Eastern yesterday, so I just jumped in
Yeah,
right at 9.
you good?
Oh dang, Cam is punctual, bro. He on time, bro. He on time,
Hey,
bro.
Yeah.
I try.
Punctual, man. Hey,
Hey,
Cam.
we y'all talk about Dogecoin just now.
Yeah, yep,
Yeah.
yep. We was.
Woo. Oh man, I'll say it could go up to $1, but
Mm,
I'd suggest everyone try to sell. I mean, before it hits $1, because everybody's expecting one.
right.
You know, if they hold further, I feel like they're gonna get dumped on. It's gonna end badly regardless, but
Yeah, bro. We
I
got
suggest trying to
we've
sell at some
been
point.
we
It's
were
just
doing the
so
live streams back
overstretched
in
right now. So
2017, bro. That's
oh,
crazy.
But Cam, look, I'm gonna challenge you on that one. I am. It's just mainly.
Crypto
I
has
guess it really
come a long
depends
way.
on time horizon that the person is looking at, right? Like, cause I mean,
mm.
if you zoom out, like I sent that photo, if you zoom out on that 5 year chart of Doge, man, like,
Oh yeah, yeah,
you know what I'm
yeah,
saying?
yeah, man. That was it was a 201,000%.
201,000%, bro.
Wow.
That's crazy.
$1,000 would have made you $2 million. Do you hear that?
It's
Just set it and
crazy.
forget
It's
it.
crazy.
Man,
But a lot of the people that are getting in the market are short term, right? They
yeah.
want the money. Like we're in this microwave society mentally, especially in our age group. Like
Mhm.
they want it now. So
Mhm.
that's the tough thing.
You
Yeah, I
get into
agree.
SafeMoon, bro?
No. Man.
What's your you saying? Brian's happy. Did you what what's your
Yeah.
call on the meme coins, bro? Are you staying out this time around?
Yeah. Right now,
Yeah.
man, I've just been focusing on the more long term
Okay.
projects. But yeah, I haven't really. If I do get in, y'all might convince me to get in.
I mean,
Nah, I
I don't
Brian's
know.
won't.
staying out as well.
I
Brian's
won't.
staying out as well.
I, but I mean, if I had to, I put in probably like $20, like you
Yeah.
had put in earlier,
Yeah.
and it went up to $78 in the same day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm at like 200 almost now on
Are you
Rocket
serious?
Moon. Yeah,
On Rocket
off
Moon?
off of 20.
What? In 24, in less than 24 hours.
Yeah,
What?
bro. Crazy.
Huh. I might play
Crazy.
with about $20. I don't know. I might.
Yeah. I mean,
Jackass.
I don't see. I don't know what. I just I found out about Rocket Moon just because people were talking about it essentially on Twitter. Um, and then like the funny thing to me is though on people with SafeMoon is they have an actual team. I don't know if you saw, and they're
Mhm.
showing their face. Like they're not anonymous. They're doing live streams and they're like building the community that way. They put up billboards across the states and whatnot.
Yeah.
Um, so it's kind of different in a sense than just having an anonymous coin where most of the time it's gonna, they're gonna have no face to the developers so they can do whatever they want and dump on them
Mhm.
essentially. But I don't know. I think it's just different on SafeMoon. It feels different, but not saying it's gonna be short lived, of course, though. But because there's no, if you like read into it, there's no utility. There's no, it's like made for a pump and dump essentially.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think a lot of these are just more of like just people want to trade. Like it's like Brian said, short term. If you're looking for like an investment, that's definitely something not to get into.
Mhm.
But if you're looking for something short term, these trades are not too bad. Don't throw the whole house at it.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit small amount and then see where that goes. But yeah, I wouldn't count on it too much. It's just kind of just throwing it up there
Yeah.
and hoping for the best.
I mean, I
But like,
threw in a little bit. I don't know if you
yeah,
saw.
you see, you successful so far, man. $200 already
Yeah.
in less than 24 hours,
Right. Off of 20.
man. Then again, you never know. Like Dogecoin did, like
Right.
that, yeah, 200,000%, man. you just
Mhm.
if you just never know. Like it's like hit or miss. If you feel like there's a project that's gonna do well, potential and get into that. But definitely these are like more short term plays for sure because there's no utility.
Right.
Bro, I remember years ago, like 2017, whenever I was watching a lot of crypto YouTubers back in the day, how people would just be buying Dogecoin, like literally they would just buy Dogecoin over and over,
Hmm.
and they had millions and millions of Doge. I wonder if they still holding. I wonder if they still holding.
Whew.
When was that?
This was in 2017.
Did we like people? You said people that we had.
Nah,
Oh,
people,
people
no,
around
no.
you.
Yeah, well, people I was watching on YouTube.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yeah,
I'm sure
yeah.
some
They
of them
probably
held,
sold
or
most
some
of
some
them.
sold, most probably sold, but then some probably hold.
Yeah.
I mean, held and had diamond hands. But
Hmm.
uh,
Yeah, bro. At five
congrats to
cents
those who did.
Doge, I would hold.
I didn't. I had
Um,
21.
depending on how
Hey,
much
Oh
money
man.
you got
Johnny.
in,
Hey,
of course.
did you tell Cam what you got in SafeMoon, bro? Did you tell Cam what you got in
He's
SafeMoon?
probably
Hold on,
saw.
hold
You
on.
saw?
Yeah, I saw that.
So
You
I
saw.
put 50 cake, bro. 50 cake. I put.
Man,
I
Cam
put.
said he
isn't
playing.
it
It's
like
still the house
where's it at
money.
right now?
Cake's
Oh,
at
okay,
like
okay.
28 bones, but that's the
Ooh.
farm.
Hey, you never
I
know. I mean, you farmed that, so I mean, you
Yeah,
still
it's
got your principal.
right. I still got my principal, and that it's up off of because we put in around 7-6 bones per cake, so we're still up like 300%, 300 and something percent on there.
Whew.
Um, so that yeah, I just took out the farm and
Hmm.
put it in there. I wish I thought about doing that earlier because when I was looking at it, I I didn't think about that. I was like, let me wait to see if I'm
Yeah.
gonna put money in here from my bank. But I mean, I still think it could go, but it's consolidating right now as the
Where did you
hype,
get it at?
like 8 hundo around.
For the exchange
On Trust Wallet, Pancake
on Trust
Swap.
Wallet?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't wait till they have like stop losses, man. Like whenever they have
Yeah.
that integrated into like these Uniswaps and all that stuff, man, it'll allow us to be able to prevent some of these losses. Because I mean, you can put in the house, but if not, if
Mm-hmm.
you don't have that stop loss in place, you just never know. You can go to bed and that thing go down to zero.
Right.
Oh,
You got to be careful, but I do feel like they're actually implementing those right now. So, as of what I've seen through Avalanche, they got some projects on there. They're trying to work to get stop
Mm.
losses on it so that we can
We need
kind of get
stop
around that.
loss and take profit, bro.
Mhm. Yeah,
Because
man.
I would have been at a ramp with 20 G's if I had to take profit, bro. Because it hit overnight, you know?
uh, man,
Yeah.
man, that
It
time
is
is
what it
coming though.
is. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think Ramp, I don't know if you took a look at Ramp, but they've been partnering up with a lot of big names and they've been developing on it. I think it's probably going to hit over $1 and stick once on the next altcoin boom here. But we got Alan in the chat asking what crypto do we recommend right now? What would you say?
Honestly, I would say Avalanche. That's
Mm.
definitely a project that I've really been looking into. They got a lot already being developed and a lot on the way. Once it hits things like Coinbase, it's just gonna explode. Right now, it's been consolidating. Like when it hit as high at 60, it's about around $60. It's been kind of just correcting back down, about around I'd say 26, 27 right now. But it's getting ready to make its move. But if you do the research on it, it's definitely a top five, like a top 10 project at some point. So you would mean like since it has a $4 billion market cap right now, like you don't even imagine how high it can go. If you can even get close to Polkadot,
Mm-hmm.
it has similar functionalities, but at the same time, you just have to compare it. But between the two, I'm gonna hold both Polkadot, and also Avalanche. But I'm always gonna try to hold more Avalanche because I can see more potential than Dot. But definitely Avalanche. Polkadot looks like it dropped down a little bit too. So that's the main one I'd pick. But between Polkadot and Avalanche for me.
Yeah, I have some dot. I don't know if I'm gonna you gonna hold long term on that.
My long term is like within a year, year and a
Okay.
half too, and but ultimately
Yeah.
my plan is to just accumulate more Bitcoin.
Mm-hmm.
So at the end of the day, I always keep a small bag of it, but my ultimate thing is to just have more Bitcoin on hand.
Yeah.
hmm.
Yeah. I think I might like what I was telling Brian is I'm probably cashing out here on the next um bull run essentially.
Hmm.
The next rise up. I think I'm gonna be cashing out most of my coins
Yeah,
because I think that'll
it
be it, bro. I have a feeling.
like it's the last one. You think this is the
Yeah,
last one?
for now. I
For
mean,
now,
I
yeah.
could be wrong, but I mean, I was just like how I'm looking at it now is like just take profits, bro. Like just take
Yeah.
profits and then if it continues going, it continues going, but you can wait for a dip and buy back in and you still have the same capital to work with
Hmm.
essentially. Opposed to if that's it, then you gotta if we're gonna go through a whole nother bear cycle and we're gonna have to wait 3 years again for
Hmm.
the coins to get back to where we want them. I'm not gonna be holding that again, bro. You know,
He's like, I don't want to experience
I'm
that
not
no
gonna be holding that, man.
Yeah, man. So I definitely am gonna have for sure some cash and also obviously USDC and then also Bitcoin at the same time. But ultimately, it's not to hold these altcoins because
Hmm.
it's gonna go down bad. It's gonna
Yeah.
crash like as soon as we hit that bear market. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised to see those go down 80, 90%. And then you can buy at the bottom when, like you said, once it hits again to those lows, and you just you can try to you never find the bottom, but
Right.
You'll be able to see like the pattern of like if it's gonna change just a little bit. But definitely, like I don't plan on holding the whole bag, but I'm gonna sell at least like into USDC if 50 to 60 or 70%. I'm not gonna do the whole thing 'cause I still want to hold some just in case something. You never know. This bull run could be different. I'm not gonna
Right.
say that it is because it could be the exact same. The pattern could repeat and it goes right back down 50 to 80%. But then again, the way adoption is coming in, the way all these NFTs and DeFi, the way it's growing, man, I couldn't say that it wouldn't just dip down probably 10 or 15% and then go up again. So I would sell definitely like personally 50, 60%, and then just kind of see what the rest does, just to have a bag.
Right. Yeah, I mean, I'm still gonna hold. I'm gonna like once I sell out, I'm gonna have Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's it.
Yeah, that's the best
I'm
plays
not
right
gonna
there.
sell those at any point, essentially. But all all the altcoins and everything, I'm out of those, bro. Cause yeah, I mean, Alan is saying, yeah, I mean, meme coins, it goes off base of hype for sure,
Mhm.
but that hype is short lived, essentially. Like you're not gonna just because we've seen it in 2017 when we were on Cryptopia. I don't know if you guys
What is that
remember that
again?
Cryptopia, bro.
Bro,
That
Yeah,
don't
one
I bought some things on
exchange.
there.
don't
I'm pretty
remind me.
sure, bro. I'm really pissed every time I think about it, bro. That one call I made, Brian was there. I think you were there too. That one night I called a huge play on a pump and dump, and I didn't take profits, bro. I didn't take profits and I held. And Brian was
Hodl
like,
life.
yeah,
Hodl.
and Brian was like, yo, good call, bro. And then and then I'm like, I didn't take profits. Yeah. Oh man. But
Oh
that's
man.
essentially what's going on with the meme coins. But the thing now is there's a community behind it. So it's gonna be more lived than it was, but it's still gonna be short lived. These are not gonna be coins that are gonna be around 3 years from now. They're gonna be zero when you look back, as most altcoins are, you know?
Mhm.
And then, but Cryptopia, I don't know if I had my vet and my theta on there, bro, but I lost that.
No,
I would have
no,
so much
man.
stacks right now.
Ah,
Looking at the
man.
vet price, I don't know how much I had, bro. If I could find a screenshot or something. I lost those two coins, bro. I don't know where they are. I don't know where
And
they
that's
are,
the
man.
scary part, man. Especially with some of these exchanges that don't have any insurance.
Yeah.
So they can't repay you back like any of that stuff. They just say like, "My bad, I'm sorry."
It's crazy,
It's like
bro.
not your keys, not
Right.
your crypto, and it's just, man, it just sucks.
Yeah, I don't. I'm pissed that I lost those two coins, bro, because those are like one of the few that actually stuck through and
Hmm.
continue to grow. But it is what it is. I mean, that's crypto.
Right.
That's crypto for you. Um, but what do you got, Brian?
Man, I just want to
I
ask
know it.
Cam if he got
Yeah.
in that Netflix play, bro. Cam, you
You
got in
say
that
what?
net? I said, bro, did you get in that Netflix play I called in the group, man?
Man, I was at work, man.
Yeah.
Man, bro, like
I gotta get it. I
I don't think
I had to
anybody
work at
got.
8:30 this morning. And then I saw it. I was like, man, I'm too late.
Man, I tried to get everybody and my mama in on that play. They was like, no.
Oh man, it sucked.
I was like, all right,
I'm
bro.
telling you,
Shit,
man.
it is what it
All I
is.
saw is you guys is getting gains and I don't know if you guys put it in the profit. I know Johnny put something in the
Yeah.
profit section. I
Oh
was like,
yeah,
oh man.
bro.
Quick
Look.
trade this morning.
Oh yeah, I think that
Mhm.
one was like around 150, 180% gain,
Yeah.
bro,
Ah,
bro. This Netflix game is probably gonna be 1,000 or
Mm.
maybe like 2,000% gain tomorrow, bro. It's about,
Sheesh.
The
it's
one
about
you
to,
have right now, like
yes,
your
bro.
position as of right now.
Yes,
Ah
yes,
man,
bro. I'm just like, oh man,
I may
and
have
I
to
was
go on like decentralized exchange or something like that where they market 24 hours to get it.
exactly.
Man, I might have to do that.
Nah, but yeah, I was listening to what you guys are saying about these meme coins and just about the popularity and yeah, man,
You
like
got
these things
NFT,
come and go, man.
yeah,
Like they come and go, and if you don't have that kind of
NFT,
mindset
ETH.
coming into that type of trade, like you're
What
gonna get
coins
caught
you got
holding the
right
bag,
now,
and
Alan? You
if
still
you don't
got
have the guts
some?
to hold it long term,
Did you
bro, it's
pick
a
up
wrap.
any in 2017?
You just don't know if it's going to actually even go back up, especially once it corrects. You don't know
Yeah.
we're going to have another bull market after this one.
Yeah,
You just don't assume because it could consolidate. We don't know the exact price. We can assume that it's infinity, but there's
Mm-hmm.
no telling.
yeah. Yeah, so just like Johnny said, man, take profits, man. That's one thing I learned very well in the last 6 weeks in
Yeah.
February, March. Take your like,
Yeah.
especially look, especially this is the most important part for me, especially if you categorize yourself as a trader. Like
Hmm.
if you are a trader, for sure, take your profits. But if you are a investor for the long term, then buy on the dips if you've done your research and you believe.
Hmm.
Because some people tag themselves as traders and then they piss and they piss why they why they losing, why they down. Like, bro, you getting greedy. Like you just
Yeah.
not taking profits.
Mm-hmm.
Like
Bro,
like
I
that's
don't know if
why.
you did you see that text I put in there,
Which
Cam?
one? Which one?
The one earlier today on SafeMoon.
Oh
The dude I
yeah,
talked to. Can you
Oh yeah, I
believe
saw
that,
that.
bro?
man.
Can you? These are the people who are holding and buying. You know?
Yeah,
Mm.
man. This is man. It's wild out here, man.
Yeah.
But hey, just but look, he has to live and learn, bro. Like
Right.
he's up over what? What's that? 10,000%?
That's way out,
Yes,
bro.
Yes,
seventeen
that's
hundred to like 100,000. You said
yes,
He said
112,000.
12.
yeah,
He
bro.
put in $1,200, and
Yeah,
he's
bro.
sitting on 112K now.
Yes,
He
bro.
should sell like he
That's
could
what I'm
leave the
saying,
principal
bro.
but sell the rest.
Right.
Look,
You
that exactly. That's 10,000% gain. That's greed, bro. That's just straight
Yeah.
greed.
It's
That's just
greed.
greed. That's greed.
expecting a dollar. I mean, it may not even hit a dollar. Honestly,
Yeah, it's
I
greed,
don't
bro.
think it can, bro. I don't think it's possible, bro.
everybody's talking about it. That's the scary part about it, man. I don't
Right.
know, but like it's like I mean, it has momentum. It has a hype.
Hmm.
I could be wrong. It could do it. But
Yeah.
then again, man, it's
I
just
mean,
everybody
it's
knows
under a
about it.
penny, bro, and it's already got all this hype on it.
Yeah.
They
Right.
almost have 1 million wallets, bro, already. So there's no way, like, there has to be massive amount of volume that pours into it to hit a dollar. But I mean, I
Yeah.
think it could still go higher, but um yeah, at that point, bro, it's just greed. But those are the people that are holding and getting into it. That's their mentality that it's just gonna go up forever. And then the dudes that are in profits right now are gonna they're gonna lose their investment because they're not gonna sell, essentially.
Yeah. Man,
So it's crazy, bro.
I can't tell you how much I've seen it on Facebook. Like everybody,
Yeah,
I mean,
everyone.
everybody's talking about it. Every like comment. I mean, every status just keeps
Safe moon
Dogecoin,
and
Dogecoin,
safe.
Safe Moon, Safe Moon, and that's just all I'm seeing. Like it's just kind of
Yeah,
like when everybody, the masses are talking about it. I mean, it's like
that's it,
it's
bro.
time to sell.
It's
It's
coming.
time to sell.
It's coming. I mean, some of this profits might be moving into some long terms here, though. Hopefully,
Mm-hmm.
and then that'll be
And
the final leg up, I think.
mm-hmm.
Until and then after that, if I mean it, it depends how the movements go, but I'm taking profits after this last leg up. But
Gotcha.
we got Alan asking on NFTs and ETH. Um, how did they affect each other?
How does ETH and NFTs
Yeah.
affect each other? Um, I would say like with Ethereum and NFTs, NFTs, as they're gonna have to use Ethereum gas to be able to make transactions, back and forth to get it. And with that being said, with all that gas being, used up, the price will have to increase as well. I know for with NBA Top Shop is using a different blockchain, so it's using the Flow blockchain. But as it's used more often, all that whatever the gas that they use on there, it just increases in value because everyone is using it, everybody's demanding it, so the price has no. Same thing with Ethereum. All these like I think OpenSea is on it. And just the more people that get into it, just that buy and want to invest in it, or just to hold it as a collectible. I just feel like the more gas gets ate up, and the more Ethereum that's needed to make the transactions, um, that's just gonna push that price up, especially when Ethereum 2.0 comes out. Oh man, that should speed up things a lot. And then it just on up. That's just my thoughts on the Ethereum
Yeah.
and NFTs.
Yeah, I mean, I just made pretty much like 1,500 profit on NBA Top Shot
Yes,
um,
sir.
so far. And then Brian, you got some profits in there too,
Oh yeah, bro. It's just still sitting in my dapper, bro. I haven't
right?
even.
Yeah,
Hey,
It's still sitting there, bro.
I missed the last two packs on there, but one of
Mhm.
them I didn't qualify for, and then the other one
I
I
missed it.
was,
I was working.
yeah.
I was working. I
Um,
missed it.
but he's so essentially, I mean, Ethereum is a long term. Ethereum is a
Mhm.
long term. It's the only other coin I would say besides Bitcoin that's a guarantee almost.
Yeah.
I mean, nothing's a guarantee, but it's going to be the coin that's going to be around 3 years from now. It's going to follow in Bitcoin's footsteps. In my opinion, Ethereum's going to hit 80k uh and move further as Bitcoin
Man,
moves.
I
Um,
agree.
it's gonna follow Bitcoin essentially, but that's the only 100% like for sure in my opinion that is gonna Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's it. That's gonna be my long terms forever, and that's it. Unless something else comes along that proves itself, of course. But um, Ethereum, like everything is built on Ethereum. So many things are built on Ethereum. Most of the NFT platforms are built with Ethereum, and you have to use them hand in hand essentially. I mean, some
Mhm.
NFT platforms are on other platforms, different coins, but um, the majority are using the Ethereum platform, and you have to use that to pay fees and to handle transactions and everything. Ethereum Classic is if I'm not, I think it's the old fork, right,
Mhm.
of Ethereum,
Yeah.
and it had bugs and it had like issues with it, and it's just not really ideal. There's not people aren't using it, and I mean
Mhm.
you might be able to trade it and make some money, I think, but um, it's not a long term. Yeah,
Mhm.
it's not a
Yeah,
long
man.
term.
Yeah, and I think like with all these other projects, there's no really, unless something that's horrible happens, there's no Ethereum killer. I
Hmm.
feel like a lot of these projects are gonna have to figure out a way to connect with Ethereum, have like some type of bridge so that they can all interact with each other. So at the end of the day, they can all work together for the same goal. Like right now, like with the fees with Ethereum, if they don't have like a bridge or something like that, so say you got like Binance Chain or Avalanche is bridge, just being able to transfer from Ethereum's assets to like say again Avalanche, or say you want to go from use like a trust Sushi Swap or Uniswap, and go from Binance Chain to Ethereum back and forth like that. I feel like ultimately you need to be able to have both of those in order to be able to compete. Otherwise, if you're just trying to compete against Ethereum, I don't think that's going to be the best strategy in the long term. You got to be able to work with it, because otherwise you might just get, it might not work out well because of as many developers are on Ethereum at the current time. So yeah, man, the way things are going, definitely Ethereum's the big dog. Everything else probably needs to work along with it, in my opinion.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
Yeah, I wouldn't say Ethereum Classic affects NFTs because it's not really. They're not building on it. It's not really affecting the marketplace at all. It's just
Hmm.
moving as volume comes in. That's really it. Yeah. But um yeah. What do you got,
Okay.
Brian? You got anything you want to put out for stocks? We've been talking
Oh,
about
Yeah.
crypto.
nah,
The whole
nah,
Yeah,
nah.
man, I gotta get up earlier, like 7.
Bro,
So I
look,
gotta jump
Cam,
into
Shoot.
that,
listen,
man.
man. I wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning with
Mm.
no alarm
Oh,
clock, bro.
oh
No alarm
man.
clock, bro. I wake up, man. Listen, nah, cause look, this is the mindset I have right now.
Yeah.
I wake up, bro, 3 o'clock. I go to my chair, put my neck massager on. I get my cash register out. I open it up, and then I open up my chart, open up my Robinhood, and I just print money, bro. At 3:30, I'm just printing.
That's what I'm talking about.
I'm just
Yeah.
That's what I'm
literally,
talking
bro.
about.
I am
For
printing money. I'm straight, man.
Yeah.
Like, and just like having that mindset, but also coming in with the, with humility and
Yeah.
realize to be cautious and smart in these markets, because like there's opportunities out there. Like right now, guys, the market is red.
Mm.
You see it for what it is. The stock market is bleeding. It is in a pullback. So don't try to go against the market and buy
Hmm.
calls or go long. You just go short.
Yeah.
Go short. You go short with the market and you can print money. And then once you see the market coming back up, you can print more money. Like as it goes up, man. So yeah, I mean, what I have for people as far as stocks goes right now, stocks are bleeding. So if you are trading, right, like I said earlier, if you are categorizing yourself as a trader, then trade with the market. Don't try to go against the market. So if you are trading, buy put options or do other option strategies that allows you to make money on the downside. And a lot of people do not know that that's possible. A lot of people, they have no clue that that's possible. You can make money on the downside. So and then as far as the market bleeding, if you have some high conviction plays, buy the dip. It's really that simple.
Mm-hmm.
It's really that simple. And if you don't know these strategies, then by all means, come hop in the Discord. We're here to help. We're here to show you the strategies. We're here to teach you. Going to be updating the education section soon. So it's ways to learn, man. It's just you just got to be in that in that mindset. Because I mean, Cam, let me ask you this question, man. Because we knew each other way back then, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Kroger days. The place
Okay,
I got
Roger.
fired. I don't even know if you know this, but I got fired from Kroger. Did you know?
Yeah.
You remember
Hey, it's
that?
all good.
You remember that?
One day I walked in, I was like, "Where's David?"
Got fired, bro. Bro,
I
from
know with
doing
Brian.
something
I'm tripping, bro. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm tripping.
from something so harmless, man. Like I'm just trying to be. I'm just trying to save a few dollars. That's it. Uh, but man, so when did you wake up to like the aspect of like investing and trading? Mm.
Man, I've always been interested in investing. Since I was 16, 17, just wanted to jump in, just kind of get my feet wet with it. But you and Johnny got me introduced in crypto, and that kind of pushed me to an entire new level.
Mm.
So basically, from there, I just went down a rabbit hole, understood crypto, which kind of enhanced all my investment skills in the stock market and in crypto and other markets at the same time. So that's
Mm-hmm.
really pushed me because I started to see a lot of success in that area.
Yeah.
But I mean, ever since I was 16, I was definitely interested in it. But when you guys brought me into crypto as well,
Yeah.
way back, I think 2016, 2017, one of the two, that's when my inkling really got pushed up even further, and that's when I really started seeing a lot of success. So that's
Wow.
what that's when I really wanted to get in and understand it
Nice.
even further.
Nice,
So
man.
yeah,
Yeah, that's
man. And
good.
then
That's
after
good.
that, you know what happened after that? All
Mm.
that's all it was to
Yeah.
it. And now we on our journeys.
Oh yeah. Let me see. Alan got a question. What's the difference
Yeah,
in this strategy versus crypto?
like
Oh,
options.
oh, well, I'm gonna leave it up to you guys
All right,
because
I say like
me.
I would definitely say like both utilize both of them.
Hmm.
The thing with crypto is like things are a lot faster paced. There's a lot more volatility. You can do do a long and a short. Basically, a long is you're betting that the market's going to go up, and a short is basically you're betting that it's going to go down and profit that way as well. Stocks are more conservative, like in terms of you want, you can win either way. You can do options, you can do puts, you can just buy the stock alone. But it just kind of is based off of your preference. And I say utilize both, but really that's just the differences. Right now, both markets got a lot of volatility going on, so just between the two, one is more, just depends on if you want a more safer route.
Hmm.
Definitely in the stock market, or in crypto. Just this is crazy since it's just such a new market itself. So that's what I would say. Would you add anything else to that, Johnny?
Uh, I mean, I would say you have a lot. Well, it depends how you look at it. Both of them are similar and not the same. They got their differences, and you can do certain things in each market. So for
Hmm.
stocks, I mean, I know they got options in way that you can trade options with crypto now.
Hmm.
But I don't think it's as easily accessible to the average person coming in. But stocks, I mean, you can trade options as soon as you're qualified for that on your account, depending on what brokerage you have,
Hmm.
and that gives you the ability to kind of get into the margin plays without risking too much money, essentially. And
Hmm.
I think that's what appeals to a lot of people with options, because whatever you set as your pretty much like down payment in a sense on that trade is what you can only lose. And
Yeah.
it's safer than doing margin on trading, whether it's with stocks or crypto. You can do margin on in any market. So it gives you more access to that, because you can get 100 shares for a
Hmm.
very low price, and you have pretty much unlimited upside depending on what pair and what trade you're in. So
Yep. Unlimited.
you want to, in my opinion, you want to be in both, because then you're diversified as far as your investments go, and
For, for sure.
you can pick and choose what you want to do. Essentially, if you want to, you can still do long terms in each of them. You can do long terms in stocks and just short term trade crypto, however you want to do it. um,
Yeah.
but crypto, I think, offers more stuff that you can do, just because you can, well, I guess there's so much stuff, man. Like, you got dividends in stocks, you got APYs in crypto where you can earn daily, you can earn monthly, yearly, you can get payouts like that in crypto. Both of them are similar. So dividends, APY, and then you can do margin trading on both. You can do long terms, medium terms, short terms on both of them. Um, and then now you can actually trade stocks within the crypto market, uh, like pair by pair with a specific coin and whatnot. But it just depends on what trader and investor you are, and what your strategy and goal is. And I mean, that's what it comes down to. What market do you want to
Yep.
be in? Do you want to be in both? Do you just want to
Hmm.
be in one?
Yep.
And
Yep.
that's it. I mean, and then whatever your goal is, that's going to dictate your strategy.
Yeah.
Right.
100%.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's just like Alan said. I do like the well. I mean, do you like the 24-hour aspect of crypto, or would you rather it be?
No, I like it, bro.
You like it?
Yeah,
Okay.
me too, man. It's
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
you can get in
Yeah.
and out at any time.
Mhm.
It's like
I
Anytime.
don't
I
like
like
the
that. Yeah.
cap, bro, on the
Yeah.
stock market. I mean,
Yeah.
I get it because, yeah. I mean, do you need it? I don't know if you need it anymore.
I mean, I don't
You
think we
know?
really need it, bro. I really like. I really don't. I really don't think
Yeah.
we need it. You know. Yeah. The 20. If the stock market switched over to 24 hours, I think that'd
Mhm.
be dope. Cause
yeah.
then I'll be able to get out this damn option play, even if it's 485.
Right.
You know. Now I gotta wait till tomorrow. You know. But
I
yeah, I
mean,
like that
that's like
though.
that's why one of the reasons why I like crypto is because, I mean, we're in there for decentralization and that factor of not being, tied down to we got to make our moves within this time frame, and then we got
Yeah.
dudes that can make moves outside of that time frame and affect the
Mhm.
Yeah.
market. So it's like,
I think we got like a minute left. We got like
yeah. Should we re put it up?
Nah,
Nah,
I'm about to.
we good?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got how much time? 46 minutes in here. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh
Um
man, that's a long one.
Yeah, we're good.
anything you want to leave them with? Any golden nuggets?
You know, one golden nugget is if you can wake up and utter this mantra to yourself, you know, like just wake up and print money. Just wake up and print money. That's what I'm gonna leave you with, that mantra. Okay.
Mhm.
And one day you will. You're gonna wake up and you're gonna print money every day.
That's
And you're
well
gonna feel
said.
great.
For sure. Yeah, we'll start doing more streams. I mean, we're doing them on all the social platforms. We just did one the other day on Facebook, and we are doing our monthly private live streams as well in the Discord group. So if you guys are interested in joining the Discord group, the link is in the description. It's only 25 bones a month. But we will continue to do live streams on here on YouTube and everything else. So we appreciate you guys tuning in. Drop a like, drop a comment, share it if you will as well. And we'll see you guys next time.
All
All
right.
right. Peace, guys.
Later, Cam.
Peace.
All right, I see you guys later.
All right. The hell, man.
So dark and cold-hearted, I'm breathless to say the least. So far from a superstar, and my daydreams are killing me. Feel like I'm losing my mind. I'm never feeling okay. Good days are so hard to find. Just help me numb all the pain. One step from dying. My angels keep it at bay. Can't blame the people for trying. Just let me fall to my grave. Just let me fall to my grave. Look you stop. Look you. Just let me fall to my Just let me fall to my grave. Heart fails under pressure. Wonder if these bad days will last forever. So pessimistic from the past, all the good things end up in casket